When you talk, you use words to express information, thoughts, and feelings. Yoshi and Scampy love to talk to each other on the phone. Talk.
Quack. Quack, quack.
Little Blue should practice how he talks to ducks. Talk. You shouldn't talk with your mouth full. Talk. When you talk someone's ear off, you talk so much that they get bored. See. See. When you see, you become aware of something by using your eyes. Did you see that crazy airplane? See. Big Blue had to use a magnifying glass to see the tiny bug. See. Scampy could see for miles from the top of the tree. See. Did you know that owls and other nocturnal animals can see in the dark? Exercise. Exercise. When you exercise, you do something active like play sports, run, or ride a bike to stay strong and healthy. All the monsters like to exercise.
Alphabot's Adventures! Those mice exercise so much that they're as big and strong as rats.
Exercise. Abby likes to exercise by doing karate. Hi-ya! Exercise. Go outside and get some exercise. Snore. Snore. When you snore, you make loud breathing noises in your sleep. They both snore in their sleep. Snore. They slept on top of a snoring sheep. Snore. Pistachio's snoring wasn't the worst part of his nap. Snore. If you snore loud enough, you just might wake yourself up. Wake up. Wake up. When you wake up, you stop sleeping. If you don't get enough sleep, waking up is hard. Little Blue uses an alarm clock to wake up in the morning. Wake up. Grok has the same routine every morning when he wakes up. If you get a sudden burst of energy, you wake up even if you're already awake. Sunny woke up after she had some strong coffee. Wake up. When you wake up, are you normally happy or grumpy?
Yeah.